Hello, this is Stuart from AlphTech Firearms. In this video I'm going to show you how to install our tactical flashlight mount for a shotgun. This is a Remington 870. The weapon is cleared. Installation, very simple, no tools required. Simply remove the magazine cap. You have multiple mounting options. You can do a side mount, reverse the flashlight of course, but you can do it either side. My personal preference is an under mount. Slide the mount over the threaded portion of the magazine tube. Reinstall our magazine cap. Literally 10 seconds of installation and the firearm's ready to roll.